I have been wanting a steam iron for such a long time and just hadn't bought one. Now I have one and I thought I would try it out for the first time here with you. I'm going to iron my curtains. I don't know if this will even work on a curtain, but you certainly couldn't iron those. And yes, the steam from the shower will definitely get the wrinkles out, but I thought, hey, I want to try this out on something, so something big will be easiest for me to demonstrate. To start with, this is the actual machine. It's got a digital display. The power button is here and it needs to preheat, so let's do that. And on the back, you can see the numbers, the heat up numbers. When it stops splashing, it is ready to go. It's already done and it's been, what, 30 seconds? This can be used, I guess, just like a normal iron. So you don't need two irons. If you're using this, you don't have to have this and a separate iron. I don't iron. I'm gonna steam though. So let's turn this off and make it a steam iron. There are no instructions for how to fill this thing, so we are fly by the seat of our pants today. Nothing new on my channel. This evidently just slides right out. It comes with a little cup, so I think we're gonna fill it. I tried opening this every which way. This thing does not come off that I can tell, but there's a tiny little plug here. So my best guess, we put water in this way. Let's give it a go. I don't know if this is right. Okay, well, it does have the tiniest little pour spout, so that helps. Oh, that's fun. Okay, I think that's correct. And then be sure that goes all the way in. Now to get this back on there correctly, okay, there's only one way in it goes. Turn it on and turn on the steam. There we go. When it stops splashing, we'll give it a go. That quickly. And that's a lot of steam. Don't steam yourself. You can also turn this. I don't know how safe it is to turn it while you're using it, but pretty handy. It seems to be working pretty good. Oh, my bad. Instructions. Oh, did you see that? Look, 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 look. Here's a big old giant wrinkle. That wrinkle's gone. Even the creases are gone. What? Those creases are gone like magic. You have to see this. You see that crease? And look, there's one there too. See all that? Let's get them. That legit works. You'll have to excuse me now because I've got about 25 shirts that need steamed ironed. I'll see you later. Just kidding, are you still there? Let me just show you a couple quick things. It looks like you can, why is there a handle? I don't know. Perhaps you can hang that on a nail, don't know. But this goes on it. So you can set this on there while it's heating up and keep surfaces from getting burned. Fits perfectly. This is just plastic. I'm not sure how this is not gonna get burned itself. Maybe I was laying it on there like that because I'm like, I'm not gonna burn up the plastic day one. Don't ask me. I didn't read the instructions, so I don't know. Read the instructions. Don't just go by what I said. Read the instructions. This is a rubbery kind of thing. I like this. It sits in there nicely. If I could figure out how to hang it, that'd be pretty great. Yeah. I don't think you can hang it. I think it's supposed to be flat. Yeah, it has to be flat because I just tried pretend hanging it and it won't stay. It needs to be flat. This is staying in my bathroom because this thing is epic. Comes with a super cute little bag, microfiber-ish, very soft. So you can travel with it if you want, but not ironing on vacation. Well, I'm not that crazy. This is so fun. It's like when you first find out about glue guns, that's what this is like. But now for real, I've got to go iron all my clothes. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do so now because you would never know how much fun this is because nobody told us that ironing could be fun, but I'm telling you now it is. And that's why you have to subscribe. We're gonna learn this kind of stuff. Let me know how much stuff you're gonna iron today or when you get this, I mean, because no one's ironing without this. That's just not a thing that's happening. See you real soon.